In 2023, MIT researchers cracked open a chunk of 2,000-year-old Roman concrete from the harbor at Caesarea and found something impossible. The seawater that should have destroyed it had actually made it stronger. The concrete was healing its own cracks using lime clasts that reacted with moisture to seal damage automatically. Modern Portland cement, invented in 1824, lasts about 50 to 100 years. The Romans built structures still standing after 20 centuries. The recipe used volcanic ash from Pozzuoli mixed with quicklime at high temperatures, a process called hot mixing that engineers spent 200 years insisting was a mistake or impurity. When the Western Empire collapsed in 476 AD, the trade routes for pozzolana ash broke, and the workshops that knew the ratios simply stopped. We post these buried truths every single day. Subscribe so the next one finds you. Hit the bell, because tomorrow's video is about a Roman